So welcome back to the channel. This is just a complete random video. It's Crystal Cove Beach, just up from Laguna Beach, and this was just walking around with a camera. The place is really nice, but this video does not do it any justice.
So these are all the little cabins down here. And apparently private citizens came down and built their own little holiday homes or shacks as getaways, and then Parks and Wildlife came and took them off them and said you can't do that, but now the Parks and Wildlife rent them all out. But that's because
red basil was in it.
But yeah, they're amazing little properties.
Yeah. No, maybe not. Maybe it's just that red one that has the lights out.
So we're on Crystal Beach. There's a lot of tidal pools. There's some sea urchins. So I might dip the camera in and see what it looks like. There's a little okay.
Let me see if I can just get a picture of him. Hang on.
Look at it.
Okay, from this point on, I just get carried away, just dropping the GoPro into the water to see what I could see. I deleted an awful lot of video. Continue watching if you're just interested and just chilling out. If you made it this far, thanks a million for watching. If you did, you might give us a like or a sub. If not, no worries. Next video is going to be God knows what. You'll have to wait and see.
He's over there. Really pretty here under the rock with the light and the coral here, the way the light's coming in.
Oh, spiky rocks.
See him over there now?
Yeah.
So if you made it this far, I will let you in on a little secret. I'm building a camper van. So it's a Renault Master. I've been recording it over the space of a couple of months because I haven't had a whole lot of time to do it. So it's fully gutted, insulated, and everything has arrived this week, which is July 26th. The last week of July. So furniture, front seat, the electrics I ordered, everything, it's all arrived at one go. So you may or may not like that. So if you made it this far, thanks for watching, and give us a like and a sub. And I have another couple of LA videos to throw up, and probably another couple of just wandering adventures in Ireland. So peace, thanks for watching.
Oh, spiky. Leave it in an area like that for a Oh, so I'm just putting the GoPro in out of a couple of pools.
Go out further, and the sun would keep the little pools, and they'd come and sitting in there like a bath.
Be careful with those stingers.
Well, you'd have to
Don't
look
fish.
for scoping.
Right, so we'll try one of these tools. Wipe the camera off. See if there's anything in here. Throw my bag down first.